What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Prabha. Today I'll be creating this beautiful dramatic black smoky eye look. It's a timeless look and very classy as well. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. For my brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade dark brown. First I'm brushing my eyebrows upwards with a spoolie. And then filling in the gaps with an angular brush. Once again, I'm combing my eyebrows upwards to give it a proper shape. Now I'm applying a concealer on my eyelids to create a clean canvas for my eyeshadows. A little bit above my eyebrows as well for a defined and polished look. And blending it with a concealer brush. And setting it with a powder. As a base for an intense black smoky eye, I like to use a gel eyeliner. I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama and packing it all over my eyelid with a dense shader brush. And before the gel sets in place, I like to soften out the edges with my finger. I'm applying a little more gel liner to form a proper base for my eyeshadows. Now to set this base, I am applying Carbon by MAC. It's a matte black shade and I'm packing it little by little all over my eyelid and taking it slightly above the lid. For the transition shade, I am using the matte brown color from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, Comfort Zone. And I'm applying it in my crease area in such a way that it merges with the edges of the black eyeshadow. Take your time to blend the eyeshadows and smoke out the edges really well. Keep on reapplying and blending the shades till you are happy with the result. Blending and some more blending. I like to smoke out the edges with my fingers. It's just a personal preference. Let's move on to the base now. I'm just cleaning the fallouts with a wet wipe. To prime my face, I'm using Maybelline Master Prime in the shade 100. I'm taking a very little amount and applying it all over my face. To conceal my dark circles and pigmentation marks, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in medium shade. With an intense eye makeup, use a foundation which has a medium to full coverage. So I'm using L'Oreal True Match today in the shade 5 and with a damp beauty sponge, dabbing it all over my face and neck. For setting the foundation, I am applying L'Oreal True Match Compact and lightly tapping it on my face. To contour my face, I am using Wet n Wild contouring palette to add a little warmth on my face and for some definition as well. A little contouring on the nose as well. For blush, I am using Copper Tone by MAC. It is a very warm tone blush which will balance the smoky eye perfectly. Coming back to the eye look, I am applying Black Kohl by Loreal Infallible in my waterline and upper lash line as well. With a pencil brush, I am blending the same brown shade I used as the transition color on my lower lash line. Next, with the same brush, I'm applying the black eyeshadow just below the brown shade and blending the two shades together for a smoky effect. Now to add some glow on my face, I'm taking the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter and with a slightly damp blush brush, I'm applying it on the high points of my face where the light hits. That is the cheekbones, bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. Applying the same highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes and the brow arch as well. And one last time, blending the eyeshadows for a seamless and feathered out look. Now with L'Oreal Flash Cat Liner, I am drawing a very thin line on my upper lash line. This step might look totally unnecessary guys, but trust me, it makes a lot of difference and it hides all the gaps in between, if any. To intensify the look a tad bit more, I am lining the lower lash line as well. Now with MAC Up For Everything Lash Mascara, I am generously coating my upper and lower lashes with it. On my lips, I am applying the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in Chocolate Bisous and topping it with L'Oreal Infallible Extreme Resist in 507 for a glossy finish. To lock everything in place, spraying on some Fix Plus. And this is the final look guys. I wore a pair of falsies off camera to add a little more drama. What do you guys think about this look? Do let me know in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can share this video with your friends and family members. And yeah, this is it guys. See you all soon in my next video. Ciao ciao.